सब याद है। आज उम्र ने तलाशी ली तो जेब से कुछ लम्हे बरामद हुए। कुछ गम के थे, कुछ टूटे हुए थे, कुछ नम से भी थे, पर जो सही सलामत मिले वो बचपन के थे। इस साम्राज्य को स्थापित हुए आज 47 साल हो चुके हैं और हमारी गाथा 15 साल पुरानी है। पर आज भी हम जब इन अतीत के पन्नों को पलटकर देखते हैं तो याद आती हैं वो खुशनुमा प्राकृतिक बहारों से सुसज्जित मंच जो आज भी हम सभी की आंखों के सामने वैसे ही अपनी खूबसूरती बयां करती हैं और जिन्हें हम कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे।
Greetings to the house at large and exuberant good afternoon and Jai Hind sunbeams. I Swastika Bishnoi
And I Harshit Singh
welcome you all to Saransh, the essence of the journey, presented by 12th K. Reminiscing the past 15 years of childhood, let's bid a goodbye to this memorable journey with the same legacy carried throughout the years. I request everyone to kindly join their hands and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretching its arms towards perfection, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. Father, let my country awake.
Through all these years, we have been constantly praising our teachers for being the stepping stones of our journey. But an institution only functions when all the twigs of essential people build the nest of cooperation and teamwork.
Therefore, we would like to present a token of appreciation to all the unsung heroes of our school who work day in and day out behind the veils, the office too of Bhagwanpur.
So now I request Mr. Anurag Dwivedi, Mr. Ashish Pandey, Mr. Manish Ranjan, Mr. Hemant Chatterjee, Mr. Vivek Dwivedi, Ms. Poonam Pandey, Mr. Pradeep Agrawal, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, and Mr. Alok Singh to come up on the stage to receive token of love from our class.
वक्त की रेत पर दे दी है किसी ने कुछ ऐसी निशानियां, वक्त की रेत पर दे दी है किसी ने कुछ ऐसी निशानियां, रोशनी जिन्हें छू नहीं सकती, रेत पर है कुछ ऐसी परछाइयां। कभी सोचा न था छोड़ जाऊंगा उस जगह को जिसने जुड़ी थी इतनी सारी मेरी यादें। दुनिया तन्हाई बनती है या काम आती है कुछ फरियादें मेरी, कुछ फरियादें मेरी।
Sometimes it takes a tragedy to bring people together, other times it just takes music. Moha Mishra is a good friend, a better student and the best vocal artist. Yash Pratap Singh is undoubtedly an exceptional guitarist. We'll now descend the stage for them, the rest will follow.
कभी यादों में आओ, कभी ख्वाबों में आओ, मैं वो खुशबू नहीं जो हवा में खो जाऊं। हवा भी चल रही है मगर तुम ही नहीं है। मुझे जितना भुलाओ मैं उतना याद आऊं। कभी यादों में आओ। मुझे जितना बुलाओ मैं उतना याद आऊं। कभी यादों में आओ, कभी ख्वाबों में आओ, कभी यादों में आओ, कभी ख्वाबों में आओ। Every class has that one student who is notorious, disturbs the teachers, but also puts a smile on all his classmates' faces. He is also the one who is most saddened by concepts like farewell. And so, I would like to call upon Raj to dedicate this poetry to all his teachers.
जय हिंद। आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। ये दरवाजा और अपना दर खुला रखें कि हम फिर आएंगे और बार बार आएंगे। ये प्रांगण भला हम कैसे भूल पाएंगे, अजनबी थे सब वहाँ। आज भी कुछ याद है धुंधला धुंधला सा, वो दोस्ताना चेहरा, वो पहली मेरी टीचर, वो स्नेहिल मुस्कान, वो लम्हों का यूं ही आगे बढ़ते जाना, इस ब्लॉक से उस ब्लॉक, वो तमाम मार्गदर्शक जो उंगलियां पकड़ते चले गए और मेरे जीवन को जैसे तरक्की की राह दिखाते चले गए। और मैं बेफिक्र सा, इखलाता सा, सबका प्यार वसूलता रहा। पर अब सब कहते हैं मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, यहाँ से चला जाऊँ, पर कैसे जाऊँ? आज भी पहले दिन की तरह सहमा सा हूँ। शक नहीं कि आपने इस दुनिया में जीने के लिए काबिल बनाया है। शक बिल्कुल भी नहीं कि आप सब ने इस दुनिया में जीने के लिए काबिल बनाया है। पर निकलते ही बाहर क्या मिलेंगे ऐसे ही मेहरबान चेहरे जो आते जाते एहसासे बेहतरी देंगे। हूँ उदास मैं, पर लौट के आऊँगा, बार बार आऊँगा, कुछ बताने आऊँगा, कुछ सुनाने आऊँगा, कुछ कहने आऊँगा, कुछ पूछने आऊँगा, इस दरो दीवार को महसूस करने आऊँगा। बस ये दरवाज़ा खुला रखना और बस अपने दिल में जगह रखना। धन्यवाद।
अब मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी उन हस्तियों को जिन्होंने हमारी असीमित सहायता की है, जिसे शब्दों में व्यक्त करना शायद ही मुमकिन हो। हमें उम्मीद है कि आगे भी हमारे प्रति वो अपना ये सद्भाव और प्रेम कायम रखेंगे।
तो अब मैं निवेदन करता हूँ आज़ाद भैया, मोहम्मद नईम भैया, शकुंतला दीदी, आशा दीदी, पवन भैया, सोनू भैया, रवि भैया, बनारसी भैया, मुन्ना भैया, अवधेर भैया मंच पर आकर हमारा धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव स्वीकार करें।
The oldest student holds the most memories, and being one of the oldest amongst us, we would like to call Ujjwal and Yash to share with us our nostalgic moments.
Like the luminary of the moon, with sunflower dazzling in the noon, and the zen in our room, every adorable quality wants a sunbeam factor. With all my due respect and regard, I'd like to extend my heartily thankfulness to the volunteers of Sunbeam. Thank you, Chairman Sir and Dr. Ma'am, for providing us with such prosperous and life-driving solar system. Good morning, good afternoon, and Jai. I'm Ujjwal Kumar Gupta of class 12K, standing tall to share his travel log with Sunbeam Bhagwanpur. School days are no more than a sunrisation toward his life. Here we come, we interact, and we depart, playing our respective roles with own accent and vision. My journey with Sunbeam began on 4th April 2012 in a newly born 5th G. I entered the classroom with strained and doubtful face and felt the loneliness, which was soon balanced by covalence with many. Sharing my accounts in class 6, it would just go with a point of realization that brilliant teachers are not the one with broad spectacles and ruler, else they are your elder siblings. The best memories in here would go with non-thermal cooking competition and excursion to Ramnagar Fort. The best narration about class 7 would go with the point of realization that talent got opportunity with many interesting activities like brain tip, model making and excursion. This year marks to be my most uncertain but interesting period on the Sunbeam's timeline. Traveling to the next year was just to say see you soon to some old comrades and to come out here with new ones. Following the section segregation order, this year marks to be the start of my most lovely and the most enjoyable ride on the Sunbeam's vehicle. DAD, as I call. It was just a fortunate and a much needed moment to study with the stardoms of current batch. These guys were so charming and charismatic that I was always left astonished about their zeal to achieve nothing but perfection, and taught me the definition of intelligence, which is, it's not a virtue which you can achieve through studying with broad spectacles and monstrous seclusion, but it's your playfulness and straightforwardness which let you feel that you are yours. If the grudge of time won't matter, I can just go on with my sunbeam days. I felt like a thud in my heart that I'm speaking my last few words through this body. So I'd like to end it with some few self-composed lines. Many will say school is like a second home. Come to Sunbeam, it is itself a planet alone. Thank you.
Greetings to the house at large. Reminiscence, which means talking about pleasant things that happened in the past. Even this word is not enough to describe the feeling of every individual who is about to witness the end of school life forever. Time flies, that's true. From entering the very first day in school to standing there enunciating this farewell writer, time passed as if it was just a momentary blink of eye. Words fall short to express it. We are in search of a river that we could swim that will bring those memories back to us. We all have memories which were created under this blissful sky, and some of those are so profound that we crave to relive those moments again and to experience that once and for all. But that's life, I suppose. As we leave the school and look back, cascade of memories with emotions attached to it swirl through the heart and soul, like the wave that reached the shore, which glimmers hope to help us cope. At last, I would like to end by saying a quote of Albus Dumbledore. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times, if only one remembers to turn on the light. Thank you.
Jai.
We have never seen a superhero, but we are quite certain that there are superheroes in disguise of good teachers. From kindergartens to senior school, we were enlightened by a lot of these super people who imprinted a long-lasting impact on our lives.
To start with the heroes of the utmost importance, who not only molded our tender brains, but our personalities too, we heartily thank all the elementary school teachers who might not be present here, but their efforts will always be engraved in our hearts.
Entering the senior section, we had an inferiority complex, a fear that we might be unable to mold in here. But thanks to these saviors who were never reluctant to guide us, here are some special mentions we want to give.
Alok sir, physics and school both would have been monotonous and tedious if it wasn't for you.
पुष्पलता मैम, जितनी प्यारी और सरल आप हैं, उतना ही सरल संस्कृत को हमारे लिए आपने बनाया। 39 विद्यार्थियों का एक परिवार जो आपने बनाया, हमें बहुत सदैव याद रहेगा।
Teaching is tough, but so are you. Arun sir has been the closest we had to a friend in the past 2 years. Thank you so much for always uplifting our spirits and never letting us down.
We might not have spent a lot of time with you, sir, but those small moments were enough to reflect how dedicated and helping he is. Physics was a lot more humorous and informative with Kaushik sir. We thank you for helping us through thick and thin.
Words would never suffice to tell how elated and blessed we were to have our class teacher, Tarun sir, who not only was a friend, mentor or parental figure, but was also the best we could ever have.
And why not? He himself was one of us who studied here. We thank you, sir, for acknowledging us as one of your own and making these 2 years so joyous and keeping us upbeat with your optimism.
That's about our mentors, but we have so much more with our classmates that it would be disheartening if we do not introduce them now. Therefore, I would like to call 2 of our most prolific classmates, Om Srivastava and Tanya Arora, who are both stellar in academics as well as in co-curricular activities, to now give the class report.
How lucky I am to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. It's finally the time our years-long school journey has ended. We didn't realize how these years passed and when the innocent little faces grew up mature. But amidst all of this, we created our life's best memories to cherish forever.
As we head forward towards the end of our schooling career, we create some beautiful memories to recall. Class 10 ended with a relief from the 10th board examinations, and we entered class 11 in a mixed batch comprising some known and unknown faces.
We were blessed to have class teachers like Tarun sir and Kaushal sir in these 2 years, who not only guided us but also supported us during this tough period. Our class had some of the most sensitive students and many of them notorious as well.
On this note, we would like to introduce the students of our class in some special categories.
2 of our classmates, Ishan and Aryan, made a special appearance in the class once in a week. So we request our class Eid Ke Chand to ascend the stage. If one visits our class, he will always find these 5 with their books. And these are the Padhakus of our class. So here we have Arpit, Alok, Shresht, Vansh and Sanil.
Arpit, being the second city topper of our school in 10th board examinations, is the pride of our class. Sitting on the back benches will always be the most favorite memory of our school days. Raj, Ashutosh, Shubham, Shivam, Ayush Dubey, Ayush Bharadwaj and Sankar. You people are the soul of our class. And guys, now a fact. Raj Pandey is the most spherical thing we have in our class.
Some of the students of our class do interact lesser than others, but are keen observers. Under this category of silent observers, we have Abhay, Ashutosh, Divyansh, Sumit, Vishal and Rishabh Singh.
In contrast to these 5, we have Ujjwal, Shashwat, Shivam, Om Singh and Divyanshu. These are the curious ones and the question marks of our class.
A class is incomplete without a drama buzz. Fortunately, we have 3 of them, Tridip, Rakshit and Rishabh. These 3 are the most fun-loving people of our class. Tridip, apart from cracking hilarious jokes, also gives some genuine advices. And Rakshit is a maths-obsessed person.
Yash is genuinely a great guitar player. He's one who is always made fun of because of his extrovert nature.
Last but not the least, we have the fitness freaks of our class. In this category, we have Tushar, Manish and Yash. 2 of our classmates, Swayam and Swastika, have achieved what they desired for due to their hard work and determination. They are the achievers of our class.
2 of our classmates, Abhishek and Harshit, would fit into any of these categories. These are the all-rounders of our class. Harshit, he is the most present student in the school. Harshit's presence in school is just 0.1% less than the number of germs killed by Dettol. Abhishek is always ready to help and is a good singer. Swastika qualified for the SAT examinations and was a prominent member of the Quill Club. Swayam won 2 quiz competitions in COFAS International.
Last 2 years would not have been such a memorable journey without you folks.
Class 12th K, whatever it is known for, is because of us and we are proud of that.
गुजरता सालम एक दामन भर गया तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला सदियों से तरसे हैं जैसी जिंदगी ये तेरी सोहबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे
चिरागों को आंखों में महफूज रखना, चिरागों को आंखों में महफूज रखना, बड़ी देर तक रात ही रात होगी।
मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू सानवी। I would like to now call Pradhana Ma'am to kindly address the
Started with a good afternoon and Jai Hind, and I think in another 20 minutes we would have progressed to a good evening and Jai Hind. But since I am speaking at an intimate hour, I will set up for good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for making the past few minutes, hours / seconds so absolutely churning. This was not entertainment. It cannot only pass off as entertainment. This cannot be called learning or education. It has got so much more to it which is out of the textbooks and which is not what happened in the pages of a textbook. It's life unfolding in front of us. It has got nostalgia, it has got friendship, it has got humor, it has got satire, it has got pain, and as well as the pleasure of knowing that in spite of the fact that one door kind of closes, there are other more exciting adventures awaiting this wonderful ship that has already set on its voyage. If I have any regrets, the regrets are not something that one should cite at this juncture of departure. The only regret that I would have for all these students who have absolutely enthralled us with all their presentations on the stage today is, where were you all these days? Why does it take a farewell assembly to see you in all the splendor of your plumage, to see you in the entirety of the talent and potential that you possess? I hate passionately everything that takes these wonderful people away from the school for most days, for any second for that matter, because we lose out on it. Your juniors lose out on it, because there's so much which you could have done had you been there with us all the time. But then as parents, as guardians, one is always taught to be selfless. One is always, made to feel the onus of allowing the child to unfurl and bloom and bud under your guidance and never, ever clip their wings. So we wish you well, as always. Somebody said that though these blooms will be decorating someone else's garden when they go out of here, we also share the same thought, but at least you will bloom. At least you will show them what being a sunbeam is all about. I witnessed 3 class presentations today. We all witnessed that. What is amazing is the character of every class. It is so unique. If I has got humor and if I has got a wacky sense of putting into words the sentiments which absolutely are ridiculous and they make you laugh, I'm sure all of us were really rolling in the sofas when we heard them speak, then Jay is all about being crisp and businesslike and being so humble and straight, And you can actually make out what kind of a class it is. There is talent there, but there is talent without a showcasing. There is like something so straight and so simple and yet so absolutely honest about it. And then we have Kay. So Kay sings. So Kay also has a lot of abundant poetry in it. And so Kay also tells us that they have so many students who have traversed the journey right from the time that they were toddlers with us. Each class displays something unique, something very special. And you know what? At the end of it all, we feel so blessed. Our interactions with each other may not always have been wonderfully positive. Life never is. There is a sweet and then there is a sour and then there is sometimes bitter. But that does not corrode your experiences. The thing that I want to tell all of you wonderful people at this juncture is make happy memories. You have few days left. Use them to put band-aids on wounds that have still not healed. Use them to reach out and say a sorry, timely. Use them to say, I did not mean what I said, it was said in a fit of anger. Paint the canvas blank and start afresh. If there are hurts, if there are regrets, leave them behind. Believe me, we all have broad shoulders and huge hearts. Let us absorb them. You walk out free with a smile on your faces because the journey ahead should be started with only happy memories. Don't let sunbeam ever put a tear in your eye. If anyone did that, this is the time to say, forgive me and say goodbye. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for these lovely words. I now request Hostel Superintendent Sir to bless his outgoing batch of students.
Sorry, good afternoon, Jane, everyone. So what do we actually, the assistant director already addressed and then coming after she has already spoken, tough thing to do. And that's disrespect as well, but yes, that's the order, so I'm here. So may I just request all of you to please join us for all the 3 sessions, I, J and K. They are not, for last, at least for last 2 years, they are not that acquainted with coming out to the stage and giving presentations this way, but the kind of presentations that they gave today. And I would also request you all to please appreciate Abid sir and Tarun Rajesh sir, who have seen their working very closely with them. And these people have made those children who have never come onto the stage speak so well. There's one lot of children who are the B35s and generally they are not on the stage regularly, but the kind of presentation they gave and all the class teachers obviously the way they have supported, it shows your love for your institution, the way you have expressed. We wish on behalf of all the teachers and my dear colleagues, I wish you all the best. We know you are one of the best lots that we have and you are term, as you know, one disconnected lot of students. But we also know somewhere or the other the bond automatically happens when you're staying maybe in the campus, many of you, and when you're not just coming for 2 to 3 days a week and then meeting your teachers and friends. Ultimately, the bond is created and the love and affection grows and takes shape. We wish that you people grow bigger in life, come back with flying colors, and we would be eager to see your names flashing on different newspapers. That what happens to generally these section people. We would want to see you on most of the websites and newspapers that we generally nowadays see, and we'd be happier. I wish you all the best for the board examinations, right? And as ma'am said, it's too early to wish them board examinations, but yes, as ma'am said, any regrets? Yes, express and wind it up as soon as possible. Any grudges? Yes, let go, माफ करिए, आगे बढ़िए, ठीक है? Because आपके लिए आप important हैं, दूसरे नहीं, right? So love yourself more, but don't hate others is what we would request all of you from here. So all the best to all of you for further assemblies also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind and an exuberant greetings to all my beloved students. Today, I am feeling euphoric to expatiate the enriching experience which I nurtured with class 12K in the last 2 years. It was a blissful experience for me to be the class teacher of such mammothly talented, inquisitive minds. Revered was I when I entered the classroom for the first time. Solemnness of Harshit, Abhishek, Rishabh and Vishal Singh really helped me a lot to establish myself as a passionate educator. I was astounded to witness the paramount zest of Arpit Garg, Sanidhya Prakash, Tushar Singh and Swayam Sanjay Ojha, who really worked very hard to hone on their skills to come over the jargons and stumbling blocks of subjects like mathematics, physics and chemistry. I was venerated to meet exceptional writers like Swastika Bishnoi, Tanya Arora and Moha Mishra, who created magic through and through for the last 2 years. Talking about the laurels and accolades of class 12K, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a huge list. But I would definitely like to reflect upon the achievements of Swastika Bishnoi, who triumphantly qualified SAT examination in one go. And I'm feeling elated to let everyone know that 3 of the students from my section, Arpit Garg, Rakshit Gujarati and Sanidhya Prakash, have qualified the JEE Mains examination in one go. Now it's time to say adieu to all the students, and I would like to end with the following lines. Standing by the side of the roadside stand, this is not my last lesson. With this, thank you very much. Stay happy, stay blessed.